Apple's next big release is right around the corner, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a true game changer. Every year, Apple refines and enhances its flagship device, but this time the upgrades feel more meaningful. From design refinements to performance leaps, let's break down the top 7 upgrades coming to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Backhand index pointing down fire. 1. Bigger 6.9-inch display, the largest iPhone ever. Mobile phone, stray truler. Yes, Apple is making the iPhone 16 Pro Max even bigger. The screen is rumored to expand to 6.9 inches, making it the largest iPhone ever. If you love immersive content consumption and gaming, this upgrade is a dream come true. With thinner bezels and a stunning Super Retina XDR OLED panel, this display will be an absolute beast. 2. 48MP periscope zoom, Apple's most powerful camera yet. Camera with flash telescope. The iPhone 15 Pro Max introduced the 5x telephoto zoom, but Apple is taking it to the next level in 2024. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to feature an enhanced 48MP periscope lens with 6x to 10x optical zoom. This means crisper zoomed-in shots, insane low-light performance, and better image stabilization. Content creators, this one's for you. Movie camera fire. 3. A18 Pro chip, the fastest iPhone ever. High-voltage rocket. Apple's silicon game remains unmatched, and the A18 Pro chip is expected to be a serious upgrade. Built on TSMC's 3nm Plus process, it will deliver better power efficiency, faster AI processing, and console-level gaming performance. Expect better battery life, smoother multitasking, and groundbreaking AI capabilities in iOS 18. 4. Capacitive capture button, next-level photography and videography. Clapperboard camera. Say hello to Apple's new capture button. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature a dedicated capacitive button designed for photography and video recording. This pressure-sensitive button will allow users to half-press to focus and fully press to capture, just like a professional camera. 5. Better battery life, more juice than ever. Battery flex biceps. Apple is rumored to introduce a stacked battery design in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which could significantly boost battery capacity. With a more power-efficient A18 Pro chip and iOS optimizations, we might see the longest battery life ever on an iPhone. If you hate carrying around a charger, this is huge. 6. Titanium 2.0, lighter and stronger build. Building construction fire. The iPhone 15 Pro series introduced titanium, and Apple is taking it up a notch with Titanium 2.0. Expect an even lighter and more durable frame, with new colors like titanium blue and space black making an appearance. This ensures premium durability without adding unnecessary weight. 7. AI-powered iOS 18, the smartest iPhone yet. Robot face mobile phone. Apple is bringing AI-powered enhancements to iOS 18, making Siri smarter than ever. Expect AI-driven messaging, voice-to-text improvements, real-time language translation, and AI-generated photo editing tools. Directly built into the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple is finally catching up to the AI revolution. Final thoughts should you upgrade? Thinking face. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a true powerhouse, with upgrades that actually matter. From the larger 6.9-inch display to enhanced zoom, longer battery life, and AI-powered features, Apple is bringing some serious heat this year. Fire, are you excited about the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Drop a comment and let us know which feature you're most hyped for. Bell subscribe to Technology Review for the latest updates, leaks, and hands-on reviews.